Meaning of hydrogen bomb.
Hydrogen bomb.
Hydrogen bomb.
Hydrogen bomb.
Hydrogen bomb. A hydrogen bomb, also known as a thermonuclear bomb, is a type of nuclear weapon that uses fusion reactions to generate explosive energy. It relies on the fusion of hydrogen atoms to produce helium and a huge amount of energy. The result is a much more powerful explosion than a traditional atomic bomb, with potentially devastating consequences. Hydrogen bombs are considered even more dangerous than atomic bombs, as they can have an explosive yield that is orders of magnitude greater. The development and proliferation of hydrogen bombs remains a major concern for global security.